Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to combine 2 or more videos in Canva. Whether we are creating a blog, presentations, or social media content, we will walk you through the simple steps to merge your clips into one seamless video. On the Canva dashboard, the first thing we need to do is upload a video. Once the video appears on the left side of the dashboard, we will go to our videos, and from here, choose the video we want to add. For example, let's select these videos. Once we are here, we simply drag this video into our media, then drag the next video in as well. As we can see, they are now playing one after the other. When the first one finishes, the next video plays automatically. We can also play them at the same time by dragging one video on top of the other. We then need to adjust the video, for example, resize it and reposition it, then tweak any other settings as needed. When we hit play, both videos are now running together at the same time. And that is how we combine 2 or more videos in Canva. With just a few simple steps, we can create smooth and professional-looking video content.